Good evening, sir. This is Marpol Annex 4, the sewage. Marpol Annex 4 focuses on preventing marine pollution caused by sewage from ships. It sets rules for sewage treatment, discharge, and certification to protect ocean health. The annex applies to ships over 400 gross tons or those carrying more than 15 people on international voyage. It defines sewage as waste from toilets, medical areas, or spaces with animals. Discharge into the sea is generally banned unless treated, allowed only beyond 3 nautical miles. If disinfect or 12 miles if untreated. Ships must have an approved treatment plant, disinfecting system, or holding tank. The Baltic Sea is the only special area with stricter sewage rules. Exceptions are allowed for safety or emergencies. Governments must also provide proper port reception facilities and issue the International Sewage Pollution Prevention Certificate to ensure compliance. Thank you.